Hello, everyone. Elon Musk told NVIDIA to send 12,000 of these highly sought after AI chips in December 2023. These are their new H100 GPUs. This GPU is thought to cost around $40,000. But Musk says, by the way, I'm gonna buy 100,000 of them for my XAI, which just got Andreessen Horowitz. What would happen if Tesla bought NVIDIA? What might the future hold for technology and transportation if these two groups work together? Today, we'll talk about how much Tesla has put into NVIDIA's smart AI. By pushing the limits of what AI can do, this collaboration is not only changing the auto industry, but it's also preparing for a huge effect in many other tech areas as well. Stay tuned as we break down how this relationship could change the rules for technology around the world and what it means for investors and tech fans alike. Don't forget to sign up for Tesla Stock News to get inside information on how the world's biggest tech companies are shaping the future of innovation. Universe and Isaac Ross. One day, everything that moves will be able to move itself, either fully or mostly. By 2024, almost all new electric vehicles, EVs, will have a lot of AV features. We are making a world cloud map, a full stack AV system for cars, and an end-to-end flow for building self-driving cars. NVIDIA Drive is an open and full-stack AV tool. People can choose to use only our development flow, parts of our driving computer, our cloud map, or work with us from start to finish. We work with companies that make cars, SUVs, sports cars, trucks, vans, food delivery vehicles, and robo-taxis. As robots, self-driving cars need the same three building blocks of machine learning development: a training model with NVIDIA AI on DGX, modeling and the creation of synthetic data with Drive Sim on Omniverse, and a real-time robotics pipeline with Drive AV on the Orin Robotics chip. Tesla is making a bold strategic move by putting a lot of money, between $3 billion and $4 billion, into NVIDIA's AI chips just this year. This spending is part of a much bigger budget that Tesla has set aside for 2023 to spend on AI-related things, which adds up to about $10 billion. Almost half of this AI spending goes to improving Tesla's own operations and technology. This shows that the company is serious about being the leader in AI and self-driving car technology. We can't say enough good things about this investment. By paying for these high-tech chips, Tesla is not only improving its self-driving features, but also making sure it stays on the cutting edge of car technology. That Tesla is spending so much money on NVIDIA's hardware shows how serious the company is about using AI technology to lead the way in the car and tech industries in general. Tesla has put a lot of money into NVIDIA, which is more than just buying tools. Ultimately, this strategic financial pledge is about getting a huge advantage in the very competitive fields of artificial intelligence and self-driving cars. Tesla is not only improving the automation of its cars by adding NVIDIA's cutting-edge AI chips, but it is also making its entire technological environment better. With this move, Tesla will be better able to use deep learning and neural networks to improve everything from energy management systems to safety measures for vehicles. This investment will also have effects outside of the auto business. It could have an effect on fields like robots, renewable energy, and even smart city technologies, where AI can be very important for making things more efficient and environmentally friendly. This isn't just about making cars drive themselves better. It's about making groundbreaking discoveries that could change how we get around cities, how much energy we use, and even how we deal with our environment every day. The foundation of our own business is the other app that I'm really excited about. Caddy has a lot of business with NVIDIA. All of their tools that we use work on CPUs. NVIDIA's datasets are very big, and the AI systems are improved over very long periods of time. This is why they run on CPUs. This means that most of the methods are focused on the CPU. We've been speeding up some of these algorithms with Cadence for a while now. But with Grace Hopper, which we've only been working on for a few days and weeks, the performance boost is crazy. I can't wait to show it to you. One of the most computer-heavy businesses in the world is about to be changed forever by this. Of course, digital biology, CAE, CAD, EDA, designing chips and creating electronic systems all need a lot of computation, and the data sets are also very big. A great fit for Grace Hopper. New papers show that Musk asked NVIDIA to prioritize chip shipments, not Tesla. Musk still says that he can make Tesla a leader in AI. Musk agreed with what CNBC said, saying that the chips would have been stuck in the Tesla plant for a while. CNN.com Laura Cadney is here to talk about what she has learned. Thanks for coming, Lauren. Just bring us back to the beginning. What did really happen? What did Musk do? There's still a lot to report from this area. It looks like Tesla would have paid for its chips, and X would have paid for its chips, but Elon Musk might be able to explain that. He now says that Tesla wasn't ready for them. This makes me wonder why X Corp had the means to, start building a brand new data center, but Tesla, which has been talking about making robo-taxis with very advanced computer vision and AI, wouldn't put that first and wasn't ready. Shareholders weren't told in detail about these delays before. As you've watched, Tesla's continuous strides in self-driving technology are swiftly transforming once fictional ideas into tangible realities. Bettering the functions of cars isn't the only goal of this evolution. It's also about changing the very idea of movement. Tesla's advanced, full self-driving systems are making the way for cars that can get through complicated environments with little to no help from a person. This could lead to a future where transportation is much safer, more efficient, and easier to get to. In this change, private car ownership is not the only thing that is affected. Imagine cities where traffic flows are adjusted in real time, cutting down on pollution and traffic jams. Think about what this means for older people and people with disabilities who have trouble getting around, who now have more freedom thanks to safe, autonomous transportation. Tesla's technology is also paving the way for other uses in logistics and public transportation, which could completely change how goods are moved and services are provided. CEO Jensen Huang of NVIDIA gave credit to Tesla, the company that makes electric vehicles. Huang told Yahoo Finance, Tesla is best positioned in self-driving technology. Listen to this. Tesla is way ahead of the competition when it comes to self-driving cars, but one day all cars will have to be able to drive themselves. To make driving safer, easier, and more fun, it is now widely known and understood that the best way to train these models is to watch videos directly. We used to train with pictures that had names on them. This is a car, we'd say. This is a car, this is a sign, and this is a road. And we would write that by hand. It is amazing. Now we just put video into the car and let it figure it out on its own. What do you anticipate Elon will need to signal to the investment community about the future construct of how they're thinking about production and the new vehicles that they teased, and now the street's going to be expecting at some point? That's a good point. I believe we need to see a clear and firm schedule, and that timeline has not been pushed back for the new, less expensive model. Last quarter, they said it would be by the end of 2025. That deadline needs to be met or pushed up so that people can expect Tesla will have a second wave of deliveries and growth starting in 2026. I believe the stock will be fine as long as that story stays the same. Tesla and NVIDIA aren't just pushing the limits of what technology can do now, they're also making plans for how driverless technology will work in the future. The auto and tech industries are about to go through big changes because of this partnership. It marks a major shift in how machines connect with the world around them. As NVIDIA gives Tesla cutting-edge AI chips with a lot of computing power, Tesla is using this technology to improve and speed up the self-driving car's abilities, making them better, safer, and more efficient. This relationship is a one-of-a-kind chance for investors. AI and self-driving technology improvements will not only help Tesla get a bigger share of the car market, but they will also make NVIDIA the leader in making AI chips, which are important in many other tech fields besides cars, like robotics, healthcare, and AI research. This could mean that more people want to buy NVIDIA's products, which makes the company a good investment for people who want to make money in the long run. Furthermore, these changes will have an impact on the larger tech scene, which will also undergo changes. As AI is used in more everyday technologies, like consumer goods and city systems, the need for more advanced AI chips will grow. Because of this, there could be new companies and services that take advantage of AI's increased abilities in many areas. The relationship between Tesla and NVIDIA is more than just two big tech companies coming together. It's a groundbreaking partnership that's shaping the future of AI and self-driving cars. We've seen how Tesla